Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about how to open a BluPeak account. So, can you open a BluPeak account online? The short answer is yes, you can. BluPeak Credit Union provides an online application process to open an account. However, before you start, you need to know if you're eligible. BluPeak is a credit union, not a bank, which means membership is required. You can become a member if you live, work, or worship in certain counties in California, including Alameda, Sacramento, San Diego, Santa Clara, and Yolo. You can also be eligible through your employer, or if you are a student or alumnus of the University of California or California University System. Immediate family members of current members may also be eligible. If you meet the eligibility criteria, the online application requires a few things. You will need a valid, unexpired, government-issued ID, such as a driver's license or state ID. You'll also need your social security number, a physical address, an email address, and a way to make your initial deposit, such as a credit or debit card, or a U.S. checking account number and routing number. The online process is designed to be straightforward. Simply visit the BluPeak Credit Union website and follow the steps to apply. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.